Welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about pointer to pointer. Okay. So we all in the last session we have already discussed about pointers. Okay, and also we have discussed about character pointer, integer pointer, float pointer, double pointer, and all. Now today in this session we'll be discussing a pointer pointing to a pointer. Okay. So let us first in this initialize a variable with a value num equal to 5. Okay, let's take a pointer int. Okay, ptr star ptr. Okay, star ptr, right? And I write ptr equal to ampersand num, right? So now we have a pointer ptr which is taking the address of a variable. Okay, now what is a pointer to pointer? So we already have a, so we have here num. Okay, and num is being pointed by ptr. Okay, now we will have another pointer. We will be pointing to uh, we're pointing to ptr. Okay, so let's say the second pointer, so we write as ptr. Okay, which is uh, pointing to ptr. Okay, so that means we'll write here as ptr, okay, equal to ampersand, equal to as ptr equal to ampersand ptr. Okay, now that means this pointer is taking the address of ptr. Okay, so let us now, since this is pointing to a pointer, okay, right? So how the definition will be? The definition will be like this. We will have int double star sptr, because we are talking pointer to a pointer. Okay, right? So now let us print it. Print f. Okay, so the address of num is percentage u comma ampersand num. Okay, then printf. Okay, the address of p ptr. Okay, is percentage u. Okay, uh, comma, that will be ampersand ptr, because we are talking about the address. Okay, so mm, okay, right? Then we'll write printf. Okay, double quote, the address of sptr. Okay, is percentage u comma ampersand sptr. Okay, now we know that ptr contain the address of num. Now what does sptr contain? So let us print that. Uh, the content of sptr is percentage d. Okay, so sptr. Okay, now address of num will be given up. Okay, the address of ptr will be given up, and the address of sptr will be given up. Now we know if I write the content of ptr, it will give you nothing but the, let me also put that so that it will be easier for you. The content of ptr is dollar. Okay, ptr. Okay, now the content will be nothing but the address of num, and this content as ptr will be nothing but the address of ptr. Okay, so let us save this and let us execute. Oh, sorry. So okay, slash n slash n slash n slash n. Okay, let's save it. Okay, fine. So, oh, sorry, this is wrong. Right. So now Address of num is last is 44. Address of PTR is 32. Okay, and address of PTR is 024. Now, content of PTR is 044. That means the address of num. And the content of SPTR is 32, which is nothing but the address of PTR. The address of PTR is 6422032. So the content of SPTR is the 32. Correct? Yes, right? And the address of num is this, and the content of PTR is this. So we know that, right? Now let us display the values. Okay. So next we start displaying the values. So I write here print. Let me display 5. Okay. Using all. Okay. Printf. Okay. The value of num is percentage d. Okay, and m. Okay, then printf. 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 Okay, fine. Then the value of num using ptr is percentage d. You remember what is that? So we have the indirection operator ptr. Oh, sorry. Oh, indirection operator ptr. Okay, right. Next. Okay, so next, the value of num using SPTR equal to what will happen? So we'll have to use double star, right? Okay, so double star we put, and then again, oh sorry, slash n, slash n, okay, slash n. Okay, let me save it. Yes, so now I execute it. Yes, so the value of num is 5, the value of num using ptr is 5, and the value of num using sptr is 5. Okay, right? So we got it, correct? Okay, so now let us see an interesting phenomena like printf. Okay, the value given using only single sptr is percentage d. What will, okay, so what will be sptr? Okay, now you see, as ptr is containing the address of ptr. Now we are saying that the address of ptr. Now we are saying at the address of ptr, what it is stored. The address of ptr that is stored is nothing but the address of num. Correct or not? See, as ptr is pointing to ptr and ptr is pointing to num. Okay. Now if I say what is stored in what is stored in spt, what is stored in ptr. Okay, right? So ptr that is stored, okay, right, will be what? So sorry, as ptr is containing the address of ptr. So what is stored at the address of ptr? Address of ptr is stored the address of now. So I think it will sorry, not it will not it will give you the address of now. So let us again execute it, and you will see the address of now itself. Okay, right? So save, run it. Yes, see, you get the value that is stored using sptr is this, which is nothing but the address of now. Okay, because ptr contain the address of now. Okay, now we are saying what is contained at address of, or at what is the contained at this particular location of ptr is nothing but the address of now, right? Yes, okay, right? So we got it. So now with the double pointer, if you are using the single pointer, okay, so that will give you nothing but the content of the ptr. Okay, yes, right? And the content of the ptr is nothing but the it is the address of num. Okay, and if I write double star, then again you will say what is stored at the content of the what is stored at the content of the ptr. So the content of the ptr means the address of num. So at that it is storing is nothing but the value of 5, right? So that is what we have seen. Okay, so that's the the pointer to pointer itself. So we can, yeah, I'm giving it here, in pointer. Similarly, we can have, float pointer, we can have double pointer, and all these things, everything we can have it. Okay, right? So that's that is the discussion about, the pointers to pointers. Okay, so hope you have understood it. Okay, if you try to do it with a complete, practice with int, float, character and all, and then you will get a very clear idea about, pointer to pointer.